Assalamu alaikum. I am Irshad Hussain. You are watching Starbucks Collection channel. Today I record my new video on how to create Gmail account. Before starting video, I request to all subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Before starting create Gmail, these steps are very necessary. Number one, go to the Google account creation page. Second, enter your name. Third, in the username field, enter the username you want to your account. Number four, enter and confirm your password. Number five, click next. Number six, verify your account mobile number with the code sent via text. 7. Click verify. Open a new Google window and in search bar write Gmail sign up. Next window pop up and you have create your Google account. Click it and new window is create your Google account. There is a write first name, last name, write username for your Gmail account. Choose password. Password are 8 or more characters with the maximum of letters, numbers and symbols. Click next. Next window is a verify your phone number. Enter your country and enter your mobile number with respect to your country and click next. You receive a code on your given mobile number. Enter this mobile number in the next window G and receive the code number in 6 figures and verify it. When you verify the code, next window is open and your Gmail is create. Google welcome to you. If you want to use mail, Gmail or your phone number, these are optional. It's depend on you if you use or leave it. And next column is enter the date of birth and choose next button and privacy and terms conditions window appear. Scroll from top to bottom and click I agree. When you agree the term and condition and when you click on I agree, the next window is pop up and you receive a welcome mail in your Gmail. Congratulations. Gentlemen, it's all about for to create a new Gmail account. Thanks.